Hello everyone. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about how do you use LinkedIn. All right, I'll be walking through some of the features of LinkedIn and how it can benefit you. So first thing, what is LinkedIn? Okay, so LinkedIn is basically a personal sales page where you can sell yourself professionally. Okay, it is the only professional social media platform that's available for working professionals in particular. So here we go. So in this video, I assume that you have already created an account, a LinkedIn account. So if you haven't done so, or if you need help with creating a LinkedIn account, then we have another different video on our channel, which covers mostly on creating a LinkedIn account. So if you need help, kindly check those videos. So here I assume that you already have a LinkedIn account. So what you have to do, just log into your LinkedIn account. So here I have logged in into mine and this is my homepage. Alright, so once in your homepage, first thing is hit on your profile, click on the new option here and click on view profile. So first thing is setting up a good profile. So this is the first step that you got to do in LinkedIn is have a good profile. So some of the basic things that you can do to have a good profile is such as the first thing first, a profile picture and a headshot here. I've removed my headshot recently, so yeah, I'll be replacing it with a new one. So first thing first is a good professional profile pic and a good headshot. So because this is the first thing someone will notice once when they click on your profile. So have a good professional pictures. That's the first thing. Next, have a small information or a tagline about yourself, like what you are, who you are, what's your profession, or what do you do as a professional. So something that so that people will know who you are. So a small description about your job. That's one thing. Next, what you can do is if you go scroll down, you can scroll down and you will see a section about section here. Here is where you can talk about yourself, like you can provide a basic summary about you. What do you do? What do you in your profession? What do you actually do in your profession? And some of your skills and your achievements. So you can have a brief summary here. So when someone or an employer looks at your profile, they'll have an idea about you. All right. That's so it's always good to have a well-written section here, about section. All right. And then we have this experience section here. Here, you can always mention all the experiences that you have done, that you have so far, you have gained so far, like your wherever you have worked previously, all your work experiences you can mention here, so that when an employer checks your profile, he'll know what are your experiences. And then if you scroll down here, you can mention about your educations, like what are the education qualifications that you have achieved or gained. So that's education. Under education, then here if you go, there's a skills section here where you can mention all your skills that you have achieved so far. All right, and also the endorsements. Okay, the skills and endorsement sections, which is very important, where you can mention all your technical skills and professional skills that you have achieved so far. So that's one thing. And then also we have a recommendation page here, all right, where one second, and you can, so once you have a good profile, you can also ask for recommendations. I've covered more, I've got a separate video on our channel on recommendations, how to ask and give recommendations, because recommendation is basically someone providing a statement of you, of things that you have achieved, or the skills or the experience that you have achieved professionally. So there's a separate video on recommendations, which you can look at it later if you need help with it. All right. So once you have a profile, all right, you have already set up your profile. So what else? What else you can do? What you can use LinkedIn for? So first thing is what you can do is you can look for jobs in LinkedIn. All right. You can look for jobs in LinkedIn. For example, here on your profile, there's a section here called jobs. So if you click on it, then LinkedIn will suggest you, will recommend you for jobs similar to your profession or industry. So you can go through it and read the job description and apply for jobs. So that's one feature of LinkedIn. Okay. Next thing, if you look at here on top here, there's an option called My Network. My Network is where you connect, right? You connect like how, for example, like how in Facebook or Instagram, how do we follow and add friends to build our network in social media. So the same applies here. Here, what we do is we connect with professionals from your within your industry and other industry and grow your network. So if you go to My Network and click on connections here, that's where you can find all those people that you are professionally connected with. So you can find people within your industry or other industry, and you can find them and you can connect with them. You can connect with them and you can grow yourself professionally. So that's another feature of LinkedIn. And nextly, if you can see here, there's a option here saying start a post with photo, videos, and event options here. So it's pretty much similar to Facebook where you can share. Okay, you can write a post, or you can write an article, or you can share something that you have done or achieved professionally, something related to your profession. You can share it with your connections in LinkedIn. So you can even add a photo here, share photos or a video and tell something about it, and then share it to your connections in LinkedIn. And also, you can also view the post or the achievements or the articles that's been shared by your connections. So that's why once you're connected with people, then you can see you can see what they are post and what they have shared on their LinkedIn account. So which is all will be it's like Facebook. It will be available to you, and you can have a look at their achievements or their progress, what's happening, and also you can like their post. Similarly, it's similar to Facebook. They can like their post, you can comment on it, or you can send them a private message about it, or you can also repost it, which means repost it uh, on your account if it's something that's interests you, or if it's something you wanted to. All right. So you can like similar to how we scroll our news feed in Facebook, you can scroll here and have a look at what your connections are up to in professionally, and also share your achievements and uh, achievements and developments in professionally what you have done so far. So that's another thing that you can do here in LinkedIn. And for employers, what they can do, they can post jobs here, like like how you can apply for jobs. You can also post for any vacancies on your company or business. So here, so that people in your connections can have a look at it, and if they can apply for it if they're interested, and those things. So in summary, LinkedIn, like I said earlier, it's a place where you can sell yourself professionally, whether you are looking for a job or applying for a job. You can use this platform wisely for that. All right. And there are many other features which you can use, like I mentioned earlier, to grow you as a professional. So all the key thing is to have a good profile set up, which can which can help to sell you, and by doing so you can professionally grow within this through this LinkedIn platform. I hope this video is helpful to you guys, and I will see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.